copy to the state of West Bengal as well.
That's been said.
অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কয়েকটা জায়গা অরিন্দমদা, যে ইন্দিরা সিং এর লাস্ট যে সওয়াল সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জায়গা, যেখানে বলছেন যে কাজে যোগ দেওয়ার জন্য যে প্রিকন্ডিশন তা এখনো পর্যন্ত রাজ্য পূরণ করেনি।
একদম বিষয়টা হচ্ছে আগের দিনে যে আমরা অর্ডারটা বারবার বলছিলাম না যে ডাক্তারবাবুরা 5টার সময় জয়েন করবে, সুপ্রিম কোর্ট কিছু প্রিকন্ডিশন দিয়ে দিয়েছিল। সুপ্রিম কোর্টের প্রিকন্ডিশন গুলো বলেছিল যে এই প্রিকন্ডিশন গুলো যদি রাজ্য পূরণ করে তারপরে যদি ডাক্তাররা জয়েন না করে তাহলে রাজ্য যদি অ্যাকশন নেয় সেখানে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট কিছু বলবে না।
Have you seen the
You just didn't give it to it, just number.
the F is direct the formation of a monitoring committee consisting of personnel from administration, academics, junior doctors, nurses and other healthcare staff in each hospital to monitor safety issues. This is a very valid point. G, direct the formation of a confidential grievance redressal system in every hospital.
Well, that's already been in the minutes.
Right.
It's in the
So
minutes.
1 second, but let's tread the path of least resistance. We can ensure that people are on board. H, the formation of internal complaint committees in accordance with the Sexual Harassment Act of 2013, again very important. I, setting up of a counseling center to be formed in every hospital and college with qualified professionals in the psychiatric and psychology departments, which will address the stress faced by students. Very valid. It's a genuine concern. I think this is something which every hospital should have. Then, installation of CCTV cameras, Ms. Jaising, we've already covered in our order.
Lord, I don't wish to say anything more about that.
Restrooms also we have covered.
Let me just make my point of view a little clear so that there is a confidence building between the doctors and the state. I'm here before you, that's my concern. I want this confidence to be built. I want the doctors to go back to work. I want to state it very clearly. So, my lord, your lordships have already issued the order relating to CCTV. We are satisfied with that. They've already informed us about the restrooms and the toilets. We are satisfied with that. We do understand it'll take time to.
Just 1 second.
এবং এটাও ইন্দিরা জয়সিং এটাও কিন্তু মানছেন যে যে দাবিগুলো রয়েছে প্রিকন্ডিশন
My lords, just a few things, my lords.
And what?
Yes, my lord. Now,
Mr. Sibal, what we will do is that these 4 areas, 2 CCTV and restrooms we have already covered.
Yes.
F to I. This is something which we will ask the government to consider.
Well, it's already there. Existing committees are already there.
We'll just see if
but
it is not there.
incident would not have happened.
Yeah, we
These
put it. It's there.
conditions have been put in place. Let's be clear. Let them not be in denial. That's our only demand. We have no other demand, my lord. Don't be in denial.
We're not denying it.
On behalf of the West Bengal Junior Doctors Front, an application has been filed seeking specific directions. Good stop. Two of the principal reliefs, which are the affidavit, inter alia, the affidavit contains the following prayers. We say, I the copy kar lo. Prayer B, which has been set out above, is specifically covered, is specifically the subject matter of the investigation which is being carried out by the CBI, and hence, a full stop. As regards prayer C, the court has been apprised of the fact that a meeting took place on 16th September 2000.
Does not. They have asked for live streaming.
They're satisfied with the meeting. We don't want live streaming. We're satisfied with what has taken place.
I agree. I'm just saying.
Prayer B.
No, my lord, this is not fair. Again, he's trying to demonize the doctors.
No.
Nothing else. We went without the precondition of live streaming.
Prayer B, regards between the Chief Minister and about 40 representatives of the has been placed on the record. Full stop. Ms. Jaising, however, states that though prayer B contains a specific request for live streaming of the meeting, that was not insisted upon, and broad terms of settlement. We'll say broad terms of settlement have been arrived at
Yes,
in the course of
these
the
are broad terms of settlement.
Correct.
They wanted 40 of us went.
There's D and E relating to CCTV cameras and restrooms and toilets has already been dealt with in the earlier part of this order. We find merit in the request which has been made by the junior doctors front in terms of there's F to I, and direct that the state government should consider the request and take ameliorative steps.
If not already done.
Not already taken.
What if not? Can you make a statement that you've got such harassment committees in your hospitals? Can you make that statement, Mr. Sibyl? Put your hand on your heart and
yes.
that statement. Don't
You
be
can.
denied.
It's in the status report.
They're not there, my lord. I'm making a statement, they're not there.
Steps which need to be taken by the state government include R4, bracket 1, the formation of a broad-based monitoring committee in each hospital consisting of the administration, academics, doctors, nurses, and other healthcare staff to deal with safety issues. Bracket 2, semicolon, bracket 2. The formulation of a confidential grievance redressal system in every hospital. The redressal of, into brackets, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal, bracket Act 2004, with qualified professionals, particularly from the psychiatric and psychology departments, to deal with the issues of stress which are faced by doctors in the course of their duties. Would stop. Each of these aspects would merit serious consideration and would impress upon the state of West Bengal the need to take remedial action.
If not done, Manoj, because
it's already done.
Yes.
Within a period of from the date of this order.
Correct. Now, Manoj, I just want
My lords, with regard.
the last issue. May I now, Manoj, finish with that?
Yes.
My lords, if I may, very
Manoj,
briefly,
wow.
very important. my lords.
Now we gave you adequate time. You can't keep on coming back.
Notification
now-
will not be set aside.
Manoj, only one request.
They recorded their statement that they are not going to insist upon that.
I'm grateful, my lords. My
That-
lords,
Yes.
One last thing,
let
Manoj,
me
now
say
that we have
so.
agreed to all this, the cease work must stop, Manoj. They must go back to work.
If the name of the
Now,
notification.
Ms. Jaising,
Yes.
Learned
Yeah, but-
Jaising, Learned Senior Counsel appearing on behalf of the Juniors Doctors Front, has stated that with the above confidence building measures, which are to be followed by the state of West Bengal, the junior doctors would have no difficulty in resuming work. Full stop. It has been stated that the only concern of the junior doctors was that necessary facilities for ensuring their safety at the workplace should be duly installed. We accept the assurance which has been tendered by
Deeply
the.
obliged. We are deeply obliged. And now, the last thing is that the challan, Manoj, your lordship.
Allow me to finish
Can-
this.
please.
Can we maintain that order, one person addressing the court at a time?
Yes.
Yes. Now, my lord, your lordships have just dictated, if I heard correctly, that we have no difficulty resuming work.
No, we have said that you said that in principle the doctors would like to come back, but they wanted confidence building measures.
Yes.
And that with these steps which we have now virtually taken from your application and the other steps that you are now willing to.
There's just one caveat to that, my lord, one addition, if you can just record it. My lord, we are accountable to our general body. We plan to hold our general body today or tomorrow. So there may be a gap of time.
That in view of the minutes which were recorded before the Chief Minister, the meeting held on 16 September 2024, and that a broad consensus evolves to facilitate the return of the doctors to work.
Yes, one more thing, my lord, one more thing. Now, my lord, this is a very, very serious issue, and we know it requires to be addressed. Direct the state government to establish and fix administrative responsibility. My lord, just hear me out. We are not getting into the domain of the CBI.